Hey, just picked my scooter up. Oh my God, these tyres make so much difference. Unbelievable. Really, really smooth. Had the off-road ones on before. And I mean, they're okay. They did the job. But really noisy. And when you slowed down a little bit, you know, it got really, really bumpy. Which started to get really annoying. So anyway, I got a puncture on the back, which I couldn't fix. So off to the shop to get these new tyres, which was a ordeal in itself, let me tell you. Oh, see, bin chickens, that's what they are. All right, so I'll tell you a little bit about the scooter. All right, so this is the Carbo Wolf King GT, right? 35 milliamp hour battery, 72 volt system, top speed of around about 100 kilometers an hour, which is 60 mile an hour, I guess, something around about that. Which that's not really why I bought the scooter. It's more to do with the fact that the distance I can travel on it, because of the size of the battery. Obviously, you know, I'm going to be doing some decent distances, so I get around about, comfortably, I get around about 100 k's out of this with me and my gear, my beer belly. Oh, let's not blame the beer belly, let's just blame the gear I carry. So that's what we're dealing with here, not to mention the unbelievable off-road suspension that this thing has. What you got to watch out for on these tracks too are the spiders that build their webs across the track. Now on busy tracks and all that sort of stuff, they tend to build them to the side a little bit more, or high, you know. But on the not so busy tracks, you can run into these bloody spider webs, man. And this, you know, the web goes in. Where's a spider? Is it in my helmet? You just don't know. What a pain in the ass that is. Okay, now here's one of those bloody spiders I was talking about. Where is he? Here he is. Have a look at that thing, will ya? Let's get him in the light. Have a look at him. Right, now that web's probably about 2 foot above my head because it's a busy little track here, so you know those spiders build a bit higher. But on those quiet tracks, have a look at him. Those quiet tracks, they build them lower, and you know, scooting along quite nicely. Who needs one of them flying in your helmet? Yeah, not me. They give me a nasty little bite, those things. Yeah, not pleasant. Anyway, oh, look at that. Damn. Righto. All right. Well, on with it, eh? See what I mean? Those spiders are unbelievable. Yeah, stay out of their way if you can, that's for sure. So you got to sort of keep your eyes out for that. Now, where the hell am I going now? I don't even know where this is leading. From here, oh my God. The hell do I go from here? Where am I going?
I don't know. I'm just exploring too, mate.
Yeah, hey, good stuff, hey. Have a good day. Yeah, you too, man. Take care. That's awesome. There's a lot of restaurants along here. Nice places to eat. Have a look at them. Beautiful stuff. Overlooking the city. Gotta love that. I've never eaten there. I should come down here one day, just have a bit of a feed. Park the scooter up right there. No problems with that. People flying everywhere. This chick doesn't know what the fuck she's doing. There you go, an electric fucking skatey. He loves it. And come along the main drag here for South Bank. Push these two off. Ah. I don't know why I think about that shit. I should though. It's just a bit of a laugh. Man-made beach here. There's a shitload of people. Ooh, what have we got? Hello. You know what? There's not many bikinis chicks wear these days that have got an arse in them. They're all G-bangers, aren't they? Holy f***. Oh, yeah. My God, I can't believe how much quieter these tyres are along here. My God, the other tyres that I had on this sounded like a bloody motorbike. Really did. Riverside Expressway over there to the right. Got the city shops. Oh yeah. Always get messed up which one to use to go back over the river. Never remember. What I do remember is how to go slow behind people. Oh, for safety reasons, of course. Like this one here, for instance. Safety first. Oh my God. So anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed the little jaunt, and I'll catch you all soon. Ciao. Oh, look at this. Oh, beautiful. Something in my throat. Sorry about that.